Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our start menu button or icon is not working in our Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our task manager, but since our start menu option is not working, then we can go to our keyboard and then press Ctrl Shift Escape key, and it will again Control Shift Escape key, and it will open the task manager window. So once we're in here, all we need to do is to go to our Windows Explorer options. It could be under apps or under background processors. So if you see one, please make please select on that, and then please make a right click on it, and then click the restart button. And for some devices or some cases, this will solve the problem, but in your case this doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on with another option. So the next thing we need to do is to go to our run window. So we can click on this run new task window here, option, and then we will see this create run new task window. So here we need to type msconfig, and then don't forget to please check or select this create this task with administrative privileges option, and then once done, please click OK. And this system configuration window will be coming up on our screen. Here we need to go to the boot tab, this one, and you will see in the boot tab the boot options. We have here the safe boot, the no GUI boot, the boot log, the base video, OS boot information. So here we need to click on the safe boot, and then instead of minimal, we need to click on the network options so that we will have a safe so that we will turn on the safe boot during networking. So after doing this one, all you need to do is just click on apply and then click on OK, and then just make a quick restart with your device. And after restarting, you are now in safe mode. So please go back again with this window with the same process, and then let's now uncheck or unselect the things that we have selected here, and then click apply again and click OK, and then just make again a quick restart with your device, and then you will be back to normal mode again. Okay, so let me just close this one, and the next thing we need to do is to open again our run window. So here we need to type cmd to open the command prompt, and then don't forget to check or select this create this task with administrative privileges option, and then click on OK or enter. And once you do that, you will see this black window coming up on your screen. So here we need to type fsc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, and then hit enter. And the moment you do that, it will now begin the system scan. So this process will take some time, so let's just wait for this to finish, and then you can now do or make a restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so after doing that, or if there's still any problems with the start menu option, you can also make or create a local user account by just making a click here in the Windows search tab, and here type users, and under settings you will see other users, so please click on that, and you will be brought to the settings options or window. And in here, all you need to do is just click on this add account button here to add a local account or user account in the device that you have. Okay, so after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's working. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.